Welcome back to another video of the Chocolate Stocks, where we discuss trading strategy, due diligence, and technical analysis on individual stocks, as well as the market in general. So if you're looking for a hot stock, I can help you find a sweet spot. And if this is your first time at the channel, please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. I'm on a mission for 1,000 subscribers, and each of you that take that action will help me with the YouTube algorithms and help me achieve that goal. Last but not least, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's get into the video, y'all. And I know you clicked on this video, guys, because you are interested in what I am cooking up and what I think will potentially double up. So I'm not going to waste your time, guys. Thanks for clicking on this video. Let's get into it. First banger on the list we have is ticker symbol INSG, Inseego Corporation, currently trading after hours on this Sunday night at $10.55. So you might not have heard of this company. Who is INSG or Inseego? Inseego Corporation is an industry leader in smart device to cloud solutions that extend to the 5G network edge, enabling broad 5G coverage. Okay. Now, their corporation is geared to try to expand. They are also using satellite technology as part of their expansion of their infrastructure. Okay. And if you go to the Inseego website, I mean, it's a very cool website. I want you to do your own homework. I'm just giving you the plays, but you guys need to do the research because I want to teach y'all how to do your own due diligence. And what jumps out to me right here on the website is who they're advertising to: operators, businesses, developers, government. Okay. They're covering the whole range of customer base here, guys. So this is a company that I think you should get interested in. Now, another thing I want to bring to your attention, I should say, is that their fourth quarter earnings for 2020. What stands out to me is that right here, their year-end cash balance, $40 million in the fourth quarter with zero bank debt. Okay. They are profitable. All right. Next, you want to know. All right. So the price target in the infancy stages of this company from the IPO was $15 on the high, $12.50 on the median, $8.50 on the low. Currently, it's in the $10 range. But guess what, though? Looking at the 52-week high, it already tested 21.93. So it already blew through all of these supposed price targets. So throw all that out the window. But one other thing that's interesting is that out of the last 4 earnings report, they met or exceeded earnings. So they are making money. They're absolutely making money. That is what we like here. You know, when we invest in companies, we want to invest in companies that's going to make money, right? All right. So now that we know that, let's go to the chart and let's see what they did this last week. So INSG hit a high of 1055, but closed at 1057. No, I'm sorry, 1065, and then closed at 1057. It was green for the day, but it's another tech stock. And if you look back at the week view, tech has been getting hit across the board. I'm sure if you have any speculative or tech stocks in your portfolio, you've been seeing the bleed off as bond yields have came into play. And if you don't know how that affects your stocks, please check the other video that I kind of explain what was happening to your portfolio. So with that being said, you're getting a gift right now. You're getting a gift. You're getting a buy zone for it to come right back up here and test this $21 mark. All right, guys. So that's how we play. We play with strategy, where we want to get it at in the sweet spot around $10. Going back to the chart. Here we go. So right now it's at 1057. I do expect it to come back and hit these support levels again around. We're looking at about 1021 here for support. But what I want you guys to try to get this at is below $10. Now it do have lower support level here around 950. All right. So if this shows any weakness, guys, if this shows any weakness, and if we go back to the day chart, it started to show a little bit of weakness towards the end of the trading day. And you know, what we want to do is, like I said, guys, we trade with strategy. So we set those limit orders and we forget it. Okay. So going back to our trading strategy, you pick your price. This is what I want you to do, guys. You pick your price somewhere under $10 and hit it with that limit order. And if it comes to you, I want you to post it in the comments. Where did you get this at? Where did you get this at? You know why? Because what we're going to do is with our exit plan, we're going to hold it for that $21 or $20 breakout. That is a double up. If you get it under $10, you can take out your original investment and ride the rest with house money, or you could just take the double. So for every dollar you put in, you get a dollar back. You put in $100, you're getting back two. Put in $1,000, you're getting back two. You get it? So that's what we're doing. Next, we got on the list, ticker symbol PLTR, Palantir Technologies, all right? And if you're not familiar with Palantir, Palantir is a public American software company that specializes in big data and analytics. Palantir's original clients were federal agencies, all right? And since then, it has expanded its customer base to serve state and local governments, as well as private companies in the financial and healthcare industries. Okay. Palantir also provided data analytics for the U.S. armies. All right. And it is now currently working with the federal government on a system for tracking the distribution of the expected COVID-19 vaccines. All right. Yes. Palantir is a company that you might want to get some money into because right now it is trading at $24. The previous close was at 23, but look at this 52-week high, $45. You want to double up? You want to double up your money? All right, let's go ahead and look at Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. All right, so this is what it did on Friday, guys. Right out the open, got smacked just like everything else did. But what I do like about what happened here is you see that this minimal movement. That is consolidation. That is consolidation like no other, actually, because you see here it tested this support level here around $24 once and twice, once here, twice. So once it broke back over this $24 mark, it tested it once, tested it again, did not return. All right, so how do we play this, guys? Let's look at the week chart. Again, all tech stocks slow bleeding off. I can expect at an open, it can be some type of dip, right? So how do we play this? We play this thing with limit orders. That's what we do, baby. That's what we do with our trading strategy. We place it with the limit order. Where's that sweet spot? Under $24. Remember, it kissed 24 twice on Friday. I expect it to try to test it again. So if you want to set that limit order for $23.95 or $23.90, or you're feeling lucky, put it at $23.85, but get it under $24. $24 is not bad either if you can get it there, okay? If you are in this play and you got it higher, this is the time to average in because, again, guys, if you've been following me on this channel, what I say about consolidation, once we have consolidation, a rip is coming afterwards, usually. It's not all the time, but the MACD confirms it, and it's not really testing the RSI too heavy on either side of the oversold or overbought territory. So all of that tells me that we're getting some good price consolidation, and that is the stair step needed before a major move upward, guys. So again, the price target on here, if we're taking our exit plan, the price target is $44. Once you get to $44, consider taking your profit. Again, either taking your original investment back out and riding with house money, or you could just take the double up and walk, wait for it to fall, re-entry. Because Palantir, I'm bullish on. I think Palantir is a company that's going to be around for a while because, the way of society is going into data and analytics. So you want to have a seat at that table, guys. All right. So keeping it moving. I want you to remember this is about diversifying your portfolio. Remember who won last week. If your portfolio got hit last week, remember this whole sector was green, okay? And that was the banking sector. So your homework, guys, I want you to pay attention to what wins this week. Is it going to be banking still? Is it going to be any speculative plays that all rise? Is cannabis going to rise? I want y'all to pay attention to sectors as a whole as well as individual stocks, because you got to have some things that keep you green when other things are down, all right? So next we got on the list, bag holder updates. Wah, wah, wah. And actually, guys, you probably won't be bag holders for long. So let's look at CCIV. CCIV, that's not the right one. CCIV. All right. Currently, it finished down for the day on Friday, 26.88. A lot of volatility out the open. But again, guys, the speculative plays are all getting hit because of the bond yields. So again, you're gonna have to wait for it to come back up here if you bought it, but you got an absolute chance to average in a little bit. I do like that it is actually finding some type of a bottom. It found a bottom here around $22. Tech and speculative plays is going to continue to show weakness. If you're looking to enter this play, try to enter around $24 to $22 if you can get it around there. Again, limit orders. That's how we do it. All right. For my bag holders, average in or put it in the back of your portfolio and wait on it. This is a long-term play. This is a 2030 play. This is not a 2021 play. This is not a 2022 play. This is not for next year. This is for next decade. All right. Next we got on list Tilray, TLRY. Let's look at that bag holder update. Same with them. I think that Tilray has really found a bottom as well at this $18.23 mark. After the pump and dump, it really found a bottom here. Looks like we can get it. It's going to come back to $24.12. Looking at it, already broke this $26 support. I can see it coming back to about $24. So, yeah, hold on to your hat, put it in the back of your portfolio, and Rocket, RKT, same thing, pump, dump, middle and around, trying to find a bottom. This one's going to take some work, guys. This is going to take some work. So, you're going to have to forget about this one. It'll come back at some point. When tech comes back, tech is going to roar, okay? It is going to come back with a vengeance. So just relax. It's time to move on to some other plays. Again, I told you got to diversify your portfolio so you know exactly what's going on. All right, last but not least, we got the YOLO stocks, YOLO stocks, GameStop, AMC. We still looking for a squeeze. And last week was a little disappointing, I guess, because I know a lot of us is looking forward to when is it going to squeeze? When is it going to squeeze? Let's look at AMC. And so AMC closed under $14, which means all of those $14 calls did not expire in the money. I'm still sitting on $11 call. That expires this Friday. So I'll be looking to take profits on that this week. So, yes, I am vested. I am looking for a squeeze myself. Going back to GameStop. And what I want to show you guys is that even though we're down, let's keep it AMC. Even though we are down for the day, we got to look at the bigger picture. Here's that last run up. And now we're 3/4 of the way back, guys. I want you to understand that. We're about 3/4 of the way back. It's respecting this trend line a little bit. It consolidated for the much of Friday, really traded sideways. But I am looking for this thing to continue to head upward. It's just at an angle. Relax. Remember what I said before. The bulls take the stairs. We're going to have to take the stairs back to these price levels. Relax, relax, relax. GME, same thing. Finished at $200. It was down for the day, but we needed to consolidate. It's just bigger bull steps. Same stock pattern, right? Cup, dump, handle, pull up, right here, stair step, rise, stair step, okay, pull back. It's still coming. We got to rise, okay? When this is going to squeeze, you're going to know. And if it's going to dump, I will be the first to warn you because I am monitoring it too because I am in it, all right? And we're going to be in this together. And if you like what you heard, I appreciate you sticking around for the whole video. Thank you for doing that. Hit that like and subscribe button. Bring other people to the party. Again, I am trying to grow this channel. I'd like to thank you for the ones who have continued to support this channel. We're going to continue to grow. We're going to continue to make money. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.